If you are managing heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, or HVAC, in Burnaby, British Columbia, there are a few essential things you need to know to keep your system running smoothly and efficiently. Many homeowners make mistakes when choosing HVAC management, not researching a company's reputation, picking the cheapest option without considering quality, and ignoring warranties or proper licensing can lead to costly problems. Overlooking energy-efficient solutions is another common pitfall that can impact your comfort and your wallet. To avoid these mistakes, check online reviews and ask for referral. Always get multiple quotes and compare the services offered. Make sure the company provides written warranties and guarantees, and verify their licensing and insurance. Ask about energy-efficient options and their benefits for your home. How often should you service your HVAC system? At least once a year. Signs you need repairs include strange noises, uneven temperatures, or higher energy bills. Regular maintenance improves efficiency and extends lifespan. For better air quality, change filters, clean ducts, and consider air purifiers. For a free quote or consultation, call 778-886-4955 or visit BurnabyHVACrepair.com. Trust Burnaby HVAC experts for all your heating and cooling needs.